Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Venmo payment settings and privacy, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu options. Scroll down to the Privacy section. Tap on Privacy to view your current settings. Here, you will see options for private, friends, and public. Choose the option that best suits your privacy needs. Next, go back to the Settings menu. Select Payment Methods. Review your linked bank accounts and debit/credit cards. To add a payment method, tap on Add Bank or Card. Follow the prompts to link your new payment method. To remove an existing payment method, tap on it and select Remove. Confirm the removal by following the on-screen instructions. Return to the main Settings menu. Tap on Security. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will require a verification code each time you log in. Review your app permissions under Account. Make sure you are comfortable with the permissions granted. Once you're satisfied with your settings, exit the Settings menu. Your Venmo payment settings and privacy options are now verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.